Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I will be going to show you how I make my DIY packaging boxes. And here I've already made some, and I am going to show you how I made these small boxes here. So basically, we are going to use the same process as to how I made the big boxes I'm using in my small business. So here are the things we need. We have the paper trimmer, the scissors, and the double-sided tape, and of course our craft paper. So I have here two different sizes, 8 by 11 and 9 by 12 craft paper, and this is in 220 GSM guys. So I bought this from Shopee, and the link must be in the description box below. So here I am going to use the 9 by 12 since this is what I used in making the small boxes there. So yeah, I'm marking this one on the center so that it would be easy for me to cut this in half. So I've done already this one here. So yeah, we're going to cut this into half using our paper trimmer. So just follow what I'm doing here guys and cut. So for your 9 by 12, you have here two small boxes that you can make out of one 9 by 12 craft paper. So now I have 4 boxes to make out of 2 craft paper guys. So I'm just cleaning the edges here because my paper trimmer isn't sharp enough to give me a clean result. That's why I'm cleaning the edges. Most of you guys were asking about the dimension of the boxes that I'm using for my packaging. So as I've told you earlier, I am going to use the same process as to how I made the big boxes for my packaging guys. So just use at least 1 inch for all sides, or you can also use the width of the ruler. Just like what I'm doing here guys, just place your ruler onto your craft paper just like so, and then mark it. So I'm using my scissors here in marking. I forgot I have a mat. So here, just do it on the other sides. After marking guys, you should be having these lines here as your guide to fold it. So just fold it guys the same way as I am doing here. Fold it and press it using your scissors. Okay, so after folding all 4 sides, you should be having this. It should look like this. And after that, you're going to fold it again half, following the lines there, just like so. If you're satisfied with that, press it using your scissors. And then do not forget to fold it the other side so that you have 2 lines at the center. By the way, please bear with me guys, this is the second video where I am putting a voiceover because I feel so lazy today to write captions or text onto the video. And honestly, I am practicing on putting a voiceover or just by talking. here on my vlog because I'm preparing onto the Q&A vlog that I'm planning to upload maybe next week. So yeah, I'm cutting the sides here. Just do it like so, guys. So once you're done cutting, guys, you are now ready to put your double-sided tape. I'm struggling here, guys, because the double-sided tape is so sticky. So yeah, while doing this one, guys, let me just share to you that I'm reading all your comments in the comment section below, and what caught my attention is that some of you are asking me about Shopee, how I am putting the exact weight of the product, and there are a lot of questions there about Shopee, and I'm not ignoring you guys. It's just that I am a new seller. I am a newbie sa Shopee, and I don't know how to answer your questions without feeling na hindi ko siya nasagot ng tama, kasi I'm still learning how to be a seller sa Shopee, guys. That's why hindi pwedeng sagutin ko yung mga tanong nyo na mismo ko is hindi pa ako 100% sure kung tama ba or mali yung isasagot ko sa inyo. Kaya medyo nahihirapan pa ako ngayon sa Shopee. That is the truth, but I'm learning every day. So yun, guys. Kaya hindi pa ako makagawa ng tutorial kung paano maging seller sa Shopee, because I'm still learning techniques or kung ano ba talaga, kung paano yung mga ganito, ganyan. Kasi ang hirap, mismo ako nahihirapan kasi to think na nasa remote area ako, mahirap maging seller na kapag nasa remote area kayo, guys, kasi walang pick up dito sa amin. Hindi pumupunta dito sa amin yung JNT. Hindi kami abot ng JNT or ng kahit na anong courier. So kami pa mismo or ako pa mismo yung pumupunta out of the island to drop off your orders. Yun yung reality ng experience ko as a small business owner. So ayun, guys, eto, natapos na yung box natin. So, may nagtanong din dito, sabi niya paano ko daw ginawa yung parang curve dito ng box. May equipment ba daw ako na ginamit? No. So, nakita niyo naman, yung scissors ko lang yung ginamit ko to create that curve doon sa box natin. So, walang equipment, guys. And meron din dito na nagtanong if nayuyupi or nagugusot yung ating boxes. Yes, guys, nagugusot or nayuyupi po talaga siya during shipping. But make sure na enough po yung nilagay nyo na bubble wrap. Kasi hindi pwedeng ilagay nyo siya agad or ipasok nyo siya agad sa pouch ng courier nyo. Make sure na gumamit kayo ng bubble wrap. Kahit na mayupi man siya ng onte, at least hindi siya yung parang gusot na sirang-sira talaga yung box nyo, na na-deform talaga siya pagkadating kay buyer. As long as safe yung products na nasa loob ng box, guys, that is okay. So, walang problema doon. So ayan guys, we're almost done. Here's the last piece of our box. So hindi ko na pinakita yung paglalagay ng double-sided tape kasi sobrang struggle. Napakadikit niya po sa kamay. So ayan. And here's our boxes guys. So napakadali lang ng process. So, dyan ko nilagay sa loob yung logo natin, guys. And for those asking, pinagawa ko lang po yung logo stickers ko from Lovenin. And her link will be in the description box below. So, check her out. And I will be showing you now how I pack my orders. Since meron po tayong dalawang orders ng ating customized necklaces. So, thank you so much buyers. Hindi po ito isi-ship out since taga dito lang po sa amin yung buyers na bumili po ng product na to. So, thank you so much po. And those asking po pala about sa white box na printed, pinagawa ko lang po yun. I will be putting the link down below sa description box. So, I hope you'll check it out guys.